Hello everyone. We are second year students from Sri Swaminarayan Physiotherapy College. Today we are going to discuss about industrial ergonomics. We are going to deal with four questions. What is ergonomics? What are musculoskeletal disorders? Musculoskeletal disorders in industrial workers and advice by the physiotherapist. What is ergonomics? The word ergonomics means natural laws of work. Ergonomics is concerned with the interaction between people and product and the system they use. Ergonomics is making sure that products are appropriate for people. It's about matching products and tasks with people. What is musculoskeletal disorder? Occurs from a single event or many small injuries. May take weeks, months, or years to develop. Produce no symptoms in early stages but shows symptoms after permanent injury has occurred. Contributing causes may occur at home and work. Same MSD may differ in severity from people to people doing a similar task. Musculoskeletal disorders symptoms. Symptoms for back and neck are shooting pain and stiffness. Symptoms for shoulder, pain, stiffness, and loss of mobility. Symptoms for arms and legs, shooting pains, swelling, and stiffness. Symptoms for elbow and knee joints, pain, swelling, and stiffness. Symptoms for hands and wrist, swelling, numbness, and loss of strength. Symptoms for fingers, jerking movements or loss of strength and mobility. Symptom for thumb, pain at the base. Symptoms for feet and toes, numbness, stiffness, and burning sensation. Ankle pain. When ankle performs upwards and downwards movement repetitively, pain in ankle occurs. This pain is most common in workers who are working in sewing machine factories. Back pain. When you lift up any heavy object or sit for a longer period of time, pain in back occurs due to excessive stretching of your back. Common symptoms are carpal tunnel syndrome, low back pain, eye strain, tendinitis, and trigger finger. Causes are repetitive motion, forceful exertion, awkward posture, contact stress, and vibrations. One is advice from the physiotherapist. Do exercises like trunk rotation, bending, neck exercise, and wrist exercise. Advice given by the physiotherapist for this pains are twisting. Twist your upper trunk from left to right and right to left. This exercise should be repeated for 50 repetitions. Pushing. Hands should be straight and placed on a wall. Elbows should be straight and in a shoulder line. Force should be exerted on wall. This stretching should be performed for 30 seconds. Wall lunges. Place your hand on a steady object like wall with one leg in a vertical position. Step back with another leg and place your foot flat on the ground. This stretching should be performed for 30 seconds. Bending. Face should be looking forward. Your back should be straight and feet together. Bend your upper trunk and fingers should be touching your feet or floor. This exercise should be performed for 30 seconds. When you perform any work for 1 to 2 hours looking in one direction, neck pain occurs. To avoid this neck pain, you should perform such kind of neck exercise like rotate your neck from left to right and upwards to downwards to avoid this neck pain. These exercises are helpful to avoid pain and to maintain a proper posture. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please like, comment and share.